Yep. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Yeah, I'm a bit crook at the moment, hence my voice sounds like my sinuses are clogged up and all that sort of stuff. But nevertheless, I have made some progress with the patrol. I managed to get it running, started idling after about 4 or 5 years sitting. Obnoxiously loud, freaking no manifold on it, da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. But anyway, yeah, here's a couple of clips, have a bit of a look, and I'll get back to you after. Give her a bit more time and wait, see what the fuck's going. Got no vacuum leaks. Interesting. Yeah, alright. Might go back up to 35. 35 psi fuel pressure. One more time and then yeah. Yeah, boy. Water's on, hearing protection's in. Let's see what happens. Fuel pressure's about 30. I don't know if that's enough, but anyway, let's do it. I'm afraid it's nothing to do with the timing. Sounds like it's got a fucking cam in the cunt, mate. It's fucking stock. Nothing to do with the timing, bro. You're wasting your fucking time. Check the vacuum hoses, bro. She's sucking a heap of vacuum.
It's getting plenty of fuel, bro. It's the fucking vacuum hoses, mate. They're sucking a heap of vacuum in. That's why it's running like a lump of shit. Where is it? 10 mil. The 10 mils where you fucking left the cunt on the fucking ground somewhere. Oh, God. So yeah, it's just sucking a heap of vacuum, but no, it's all good.
So that's it. To sum it all up, the GU Patrol is running once again. Why wasn't it running? Or why didn't it start initially? A couple of different reasons. Stale fuel in the tank was the first reason. The spark plugs were completely shot, was the second reason. And well, obviously not idling properly because it had a massive vacuum leak. Sorted that out. Once I'm feeling a little bit better, I'm going to hook up a radiator to it and let it warm right up, do a leak down test, and then if that's all good, which I'm sort of doubting because there was a little bit of coolant present under the rocker cover. It could have been spilt or something, but I don't know. Yeah. If the leak down test is good, I'll put it back together. If it isn't, I've got another head there. I'll get that machined. I'll get a decent turbo head gasket for it and put it back together. But it's running. So all my vehicles pretty much are running now. I'm very happy with that. And I guess I shall see you guys in the next episode. Here's a couple of little pictures of the old plugs and a few bits and pieces that I thought I'd throw in at the end of this video. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Bye.